Hi, I'm Michelle, LAMAV's brand educator. Created to turbocharge your skincare and deliver real results, LAMAV's boosters are made up of a carefully selected combination of potent bioactives to boost your skin's overall health and target and treat a variety of skin concerns. Our boosters will become the hero product in your skincare routine, designed to fit in with your existing products to amplify results. LAMAV's Omega-3 Advanced Night Cream Booster was specifically designed to support mature, dry and dehydrated skin, to recharge, repair and lock in moisture while you sleep. This award-winning formula contains omega-rich goodness from natural oils such as chia, macadamia and raspberry oil to nourish and restore your skin's barrier overnight. The addition of Wakame, Kakadu, Plum and Quandong extract will enhance your skin's repairing action while supporting collagen production, resulting in a plump and healthy complexion. Everything your skin needs overnight to support skin health in one bottle. Designed to fit in with your current skincare routine, each booster has its own unique formula and application recommendation for best results. As the name suggests, our Omega-3 Advanced Night Cream was specifically designed to support your skin health overnight. After cleansing and toning, gently press a small amount onto the face, neck and décolletage and allow the product to absorb. Our Advanced Night Cream can also be layered over the top of our bakuchiol or collagen support boosters, along with other LAMAV serums, oils and moisturizers.